So in this video, we learn how to draw parallel lines or a parallelogram. So for example, if you have the ship already, how can we draw a parallelogram? So we need parallel lines. We need a line parallel to this. We need a line parallel to this. So let's start with let's name them so that we can work through it easily, right? So we need a line equal to BC at A at this point. So line parallel to BC at A. So let's draw a circle with that. So let's measure this radius, right? And then draw a circle. So we'll get something like this, right? Now we need another circle. We need the length AB at point C. So we'll measure this length and draw a circle with center C, right? So we'll get something like this. So see where they intersect. If you join, you'll get your parallelogram. So what are our steps? So center at A, radius BC, the opposite side, and then center at C, radius AB. And then the point of intersection is D, and you join all your points and you'll get your parallelogram. So just using this as an example, part of the construction was done for you. Here are the steps to create this part of the construction. Start with the objects in the diagram. So we've got points A, B, and C. Then they say draw a circle with radius BC centered at A. So we take center A and radius is BC. So we got that. Then we'll do the next step. Draw a circle centered AB, with radius AB centered at C. That's what we want. So draw circle at C and radius is AB. So we'll get two circles. Then we'll mark point D, which is right here. And then we'll complete the diagram. So this becomes our parallelogram. Which we'll get over here. Let's try an axle just to give us an idea. So this is D5. Constructing parallel lines. So the diagram below shows a neatly completed construction of a parallelogram with sides AB. So we see AB at the bottom and BC. Circle centered A was drawn with radius BC. So we've got this circle right here. This circle is drawn. And then circle center C with radius AB was drawn. So we got that. Now we have all the 4 points. So let's complete the construction. Let's go to line segment and join C and D. So see, we see a parallelogram. Let's hit submit, and that's how we get 44 points. Okay. Okay. Here we already have all the 4 points. Sorry. So let's join our line segment. So let's join C and D and A and D, and we get our parallelogram. Okay, now here we have a few things, right? So we have the diagram below shows a nearly completed construction of a line through A parallel to BC. A was drawn with radius BC. Okay, so that's this circle. And then centered C was drawn with radius AB. So we know this length, right? And we drew this length and this length. So is our parallelogram complete? It is. So let's plug in our values. Draw a line segment. Let's erase this. The diagram shows a partly completed construction of a line through A parallel to BC. So A, centered A was drawn, circle at A was drawn with radius BC. So we have this one length, right? And now we need to complete the diagram. So basically we've got to figure out how to draw this, right? Like this. So draw your circles and you'll be able to complete this. All right. Attempt it.